Construction teams often find it quite difficult to lay out the edge of garden beds. You can see this green line moving around here is quite a complex shape. And we give you a tool that is found on the Tools drop-down menu that enables you to set it to first indicate a set-out point, and I've done that at a convenient point where the landing of the steps meets the house. And then I can set points at reasonable intervals, and where the radius of curvature is changing quickly, I put more points in and work my way around the edge of the new garden bed. So I'm at the point where I need to put another point marker in, so I do that, and let me zoom in. You can see I'm indicating it being the tool just increments with a prefix PT 0.9 we're up to. So let's pick 0.10 and I'll move a little further away so you get a chance to position the text each time. I'm using the near option in the OSnap, which means that it will snap precisely onto the line but near to where I'm indicating, and here and down. Now we're coming to an area of quite tight curvature, so we might want to put some points in at much closer intervals, and so on. Now, I won't bore you with the detail of working my way through the entire set, but having done that, we'll just hit the Enter key to finish, and all points are now in. What we want to do now is to draw a point table. The point table can be drawn anywhere on the design. I'll put it at a point where you can see the new table in relation to the series of set out points. So it's Tools, Draw Your Point Table, input the first point. It'll be drawn using the current text height to current color, which is red on the current layer, plant bed. So I just click. So here's our set out point data. Point 1, the X and Y values from that original start point here, everything has been drawn relative to that point. So if we take point 1 and move into here, point 1, the construction team would set that point out at a value of 0.9 of a foot in the X, but minus 15.6 feet in the Y. This happens to be a drawing in Imperial, so we're slightly positive in the X direction from our start point and substantially negative in the Y direction. So you can produce that table and put it on a layout sheet and just print that off and give it to the construction team. That means setting out that series of curves according to the design becomes a very easy thing to do.